Homeowners in Warren are increasingly looking for ways to improve comfort, reduce energy costs, and enhance the overall value of their properties. One home improvement option that offers both aesthetic appeal and practical benefits is the installation of bow windows. Known for their elegant curved appearance and expansive glass design, bow windows can dramatically transform a home's interior and exterior. Beyond their visual impact, modern bow windows also provide significant energy efficiency advantages. When designed with today's advanced materials and energy-saving technologies, bow windows can help homeowners create a more comfortable living environment while improving the overall performance of their homes. What makes bow windows unique? Bow windows are created by combining 4 or more window panels into a gentle outward curve that extends beyond the exterior wall. Unlike bay windows, which typically feature 3 sections with more angular lines, bow windows offer a softer, more rounded appearance. Their larger glass area allows for panoramic outdoor views and increased natural light, making rooms feel more spacious and inviting. Modern bow window systems are carefully engineered to provide these benefits while maintaining strong energy performance. Improved natural light without excessive energy loss. One of the most noticeable advantages of bow windows is their ability to bring abundant natural light into a home. Natural sunlight can make living spaces feel larger, brighter, and more welcoming. In the past, homeowners sometimes worried that larger window areas could lead to increased heat loss or gain. However, modern bow windows are designed with energy-efficient glass technologies that help balance natural light and thermal performance. This allows homeowners to enjoy bright interiors without significantly compromising energy efficiency. Advanced multi-pane glass technology. Today's bow windows often feature double-pane or triple-pane glass systems that provide excellent insulation. These multi-pane configurations create air or gas-filled spaces between layers of glass, helping reduce heat transfer between the indoors and outdoors. Many manufacturers use argon or krypton gas fills to further improve thermal performance. As a result, bow windows can help maintain comfortable indoor temperatures while reducing the workload placed on heating and cooling systems. Low-E glass helps regulate temperature. Many energy-efficient bow windows include low emissivity, low-E glass coatings. These microscopic coatings are designed to reflect heat while still allowing visible light to enter the home. During warmer months, low-E glass helps reduce solar heat gain, preventing rooms from becoming excessively warm. During cooler periods, it helps retain indoor heat. This year-round performance contributes to greater comfort and improved energy efficiency throughout the home. Enhanced insulation through modern frame materials. The frame material plays a major role in a window's energy performance. Modern bow windows are available in materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, and composite materials, all of which offer strong insulating properties. These frames help reduce heat transfer and improve the overall efficiency of the window system. Many frame designs also feature multiple internal chambers that provide additional insulation and structural support. This combination of strength and thermal performance helps homeowners maximize energy savings over the long term. Reducing air leakage. Air leaks around aging windows can significantly impact energy efficiency. Drafts allow conditioned air to escape while permitting outdoor air to enter the home. Modern bow windows are manufactured with advanced sealing systems, precision-engineered frames, and high-performance weather stripping. These features help create a tighter seal around the window assembly. By reducing air infiltration, bow windows help maintain more stable indoor temperatures and improve overall comfort. Supporting HVAC efficiency. Heating and cooling systems work most efficiently when the home's building envelope minimizes energy loss. Because modern bow windows provide improved insulation and reduced air leakage, they help decrease the strain placed on HVAC equipment. When indoor temperatures remain more consistent, heating and cooling systems do not need to cycle as frequently. This improved efficiency can contribute to lower energy consumption and support the long-term performance of HVAC systems. Potential energy cost savings. Every home is different, but improved window performance can often lead to noticeable energy savings over time. By reducing heat transfer, minimizing drafts, and improving insulation, energy-efficient bow windows help homeowners manage heating and cooling expenses more effectively. While savings vary based on factors such as home size and existing window conditions, many homeowners appreciate the long-term financial benefits of upgrading to modern window systems. Increased home value. Energy-efficient upgrades are highly attractive to prospective buyers. Modern bow windows offer a combination of beauty, functionality, and energy performance that can enhance a home's appeal. Potential buyers often value features that improve comfort while helping reduce future utility costs. As a result, bow windows may contribute positively to both marketability and property value. A smart upgrade. For Warren homeowners, bow windows provide far more than elegant architectural styling. Their advanced glass technologies, insulated frames, improved ceiling systems, and energy-efficient designs help homeowners enjoy brighter living spaces while supporting lower energy consumption. For Warren homeowners seeking a home improvement project that combines visual appeal with practical performance, bow windows offer an excellent solution. By enhancing natural light, improving insulation, and promoting year-round comfort, modern bow windows deliver lasting value and energy efficiency benefits that can be enjoyed for many years to come.